Another weekend, another trip. Today we are going to Shivasamudra. There are two falls, Gaganachukki and Barachukki Falls. It is 120 kilometers from Bangalore city and 139 kilometers from our location. There are two routes. You can either go through Mysore Road or Kanakpura Road. So we are going through Kanakpura Road. It will take 3 hours to reach there. We started 1 hour back from our apartment. Now we stopped in Nice Road. We are continuing our journey to Shivasamudra. Gaganachukki Falls located in Mandya district and Barachukki Falls located in Chamarajnagar district. We are not sure whether it is open to public now. Anyhow, let us go and see. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. On the way, we stopped near Harohalli. This is in Kanakpura Road. Here there is a lake full of lotus. Full of lotus you can see backside. See. This is the lake. You can see the big flowers. Not sure you can see this. I will try to zoom. Yeah. See, this is the lake. Very beautiful lotus flowers. See, some people are fishing. Looks like they are fishing. Very beautiful lake. Anyway, not wasting time. Let us continue. Another 80 kilometers to go from here. This is NH 209. Let us continue from here. Time is 2 o'clock now. We stopped here for our lunch. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Even during our Muttatti trip, we stopped here for breakfast. ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೋಟಿ ಇದೆ, ನಾನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಪೂರಿ, ರೈಸ್, ರಸಮ್, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
We ordered South Indian meals. Let the order come. By the time we will go and see some pets here. See, even last time we have seen the pets, right? What are the things there?
There's the fish.
Is there?
I don't know.
Very small, right?
Yeah, but hummingbirds are not small. These hamsters with guinea pigs.
Right.
Those colors almost look like guinea pigs' color. And look how big the rabbits are.
Oh, different colors, right?
Yeah. 6 of them.
Hmm.
Yeah, looks so cute.
See? You want to feed?
Can I?
Yeah, you
I think we can see.
give to rabbit.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rabbit.
Take some more.
With this rabbit. Here you go, here you go. No fighting. Why don't you just take it? I think all the hamsters are here. I think they want to.
Yeah, try to give.
Lunchtime. Here we go. Look, one of the hamsters is the non-pigmented one. They don't have the pigment.
Oh, the pink color, right?
Yeah, the pink color eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Should I give them more? They
Yeah.
look hungry.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Oh, I think the black rabbit is hungry now. Here you go. Give this one the food. It's so beautiful.
Give.
There you go, rabbits. Woo! Rabbits and hamsters eat these. Oh, the grey rabbit is awake. No one is sharing for the grey rabbit. Only for the grey rabbit. Only for the grey rabbit. I guess the black rabbit was about to eat it.
See what is this? Lovebirds, right?
This is planet Earth.
Oh, see? Speaking.
Hello? Can you really talk? Nope, I don't think they can talk. Whoa, one of them looks a bit angry.
This is the best part here, right? While waiting for the order, we can enjoy with the pets.
Yes, I love the hamsters. I feel like just touching them.
See the birds.
Yep. Can they copy what we are speaking? I think so. Or even when you're waiting for order, the kids can just play in the swing and slide.
You want to go there?
If I can.
Come. Nanda, our order came. So let's have our lunch. Then we'll see. South Indian thali. You have curd rice also here.
I thought I was buy some.
Come Nanda, we'll go to play area. See here, a well. Is it real well? Oh, this is a tank. Water tank. Here I will show you. There is a bullock cart. See? This is bullock cart model. This restaurant ambience is good. Even food is also good. So many vehicles stopped here for lunch. This location is very beautiful. The name of this restaurant is Sandarati Gardenia. Done?
Yes.
Come. Looks like a real one, right?
Almost. The sign of this bottle almost looks like that MG car.
Oh, show me.
See here?
That's right.
Yes.
So exactly half an hour done with lunch. Now continuing our journey. We'll be reaching late. Heavy traffic. Another 75 kilometers from here. Without wasting time, let's start.
Yep, let's start.
We are about to reach another 4.5 kilometers. Yeah, it will take 5 minutes to reach there. We are approaching Gaganchuki waterfalls. I think last time we came through the other way, right? This looks like a different way. I think this is the right way. Nice weather. Time is 3:50 now. Another 1.5 kilometers. See how monkey is carrying baby. See, Nanda? Gaganchuki Falls. Looks like it is open. Cars are coming out. Don't know whether it is crowded. Oh, there is a church here. Our Lady of Victory's church. These are all very old buildings. Gaganchuki. Security is there. This is the entrance, it seems. Where do we need to go now? Left side. Yeah. We are almost here. Parking. Yeah, not that crowded. Let us park somewhere here. So, park the car. We'll go to the waterfalls. See? How's it, Nanda? Less water, right, compared to the last time. I think another month we need to wait for see more water. But good. See, this is Gaganchuki Waterfalls in Mandya district. Very nice view. Nice weather, but water is less. Need to wait for a month. Looks like less rainfall. Wow. We need to go and see down. Yeah, it is allowed. We will go down and see the closer view. Nanda, see that view.
Yeah, I liked it. My favorite part is the fog down there.
Oh,
Matter what?
less
What
crowded.
about the monkeys? What if they take the windshield?
Very nice view. Wow. See, that side you can see. Very nice view. Wow. Wow, very beautiful. See the rainbow. See the rainbow. Rainbow. You want to see rainbow?
Where?
See down. Can you see? Down. It's there.
Where's that?
Down. Yeah, now it's not there.
You must be hallucinating that. I
Nothing.
cannot
I saw
see.
that. I'll show you. Come, we'll go the other side.
Yes.
You see the... So here also small falls. Can you see that?
Yeah, there. It's like a little stream.
See, come here, Nanda. We'll go here first and see.
Okay.
Then we'll go the other side.
Okay.
See, that is what I said.
Ah,
There is also another falls, right?
yeah.
Yeah, here another falls. You come here.
I think that's Gaganachuki's brother. Whatever Chuki.
No, that is Barachuki.
Oh, Barachuki.
That we need to go the other side.
Ah, Gaganachuki's brother Barakutu.
Can you see, Nanda?
Yes.
Here another falls.
Yeah.
See, these are all hydroelectric project.
Oh.
This is one of the first hydroelectric projects in Asia. That is the importance of this project. See, water is flowing that side.
It's everywhere.
Here also we can see a good view.
What the heck?
Come. I'll show you this side. Oh, here also very good view.
Yeah.
See?
I
Can you
like
see
it
that?
how it's slow moving.
Yeah, because very far distance, right?
Oh.
That is what we feel that it is going very slowly.
Means looking at the waterfalls looks like it's flowing like fastly, but the water slow.
Yeah. Like that?
Yes, I think.
Now we'll go down
Yes.
close to the main Gaganchuki waterfalls, the other
Hope
side.
there are no monkeys.
Oh, that will be there. Monkey will
Okay.
be there. Should be careful. Okay.
Fine, fine, fine. I'm closing my windshield. Monkey should not take it. Come on, hold my hand. Maybe that Chitradurga trip and that Muttatti trip.
See. Listen the sound, Nanda.
Yeah. So satisfying. And weird. But satisfying.
Wow.
I still remember
the view from
time
this angle.
when there were monkeys behind the
360
cave
degrees you can see.
and they were walking up
waterfalls.
the caves. I think I remember
Not that crowded.
He was very
Even though it
crowded.
is Saturday, it is not that crowded.
Right?
Closer and closer.
You can see that again. My legs are already broken.
See Nanda, how good it is, right? How beautiful it is.
Technically a cliff.
What is that?
There's a way there, but I think it's technically a cliff. You just fall and die.
Nothing, Nanda. That is the way to the hydroelectric power station, maybe.
Oh.
See Nanda,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah. What you said?
From the top view. Wow. See,
I like the last.
see the slow motion, Nanda. As you said,
Yeah.
look slow motion, right?
Now I know that the earth moves slowly.
Now you know what?
That the earth moves slowly.
Yeah. So this distance itself you can see slowly, right? Slowly.
Yeah.
You can feel that it is going slowly.
Yeah.
It's flowing slowly, right?
Yeah. Now I know that the earth moves slowly.
Nanda,
Yes.
you know now we are in which district?
No. Tumkur?
No, Nanda.
Mandya?
Exactly. Now we are in Mandya district. So, for seeing the Barachuki Falls, we need to go to Chamarajnagar district.
Oh, great. I feel like that's far away.
Yeah, we will put Google Maps and we'll start from here.
I bet we'll get lost.
Why?
What? It sounds like a very far place and we might reach there at 7 p.m.
No, no. He's nearby only. We need
Oh,
to check
great
the Google Maps.
monkey.
That's a monkey. Scared?
Yeah, I won't forget what happened in Muttatti and Chitradurga.
And you want tender coconut?
No, but so nice.
See, so many vendors are there. Tender coconut, fruits. Better. Mango is there. That we can try. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Don't think I want.
ಹಾಂ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಹಾಂ 30 ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿ. ಹಣ್ಣಿರಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಲ ಏನೂ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. See how you are cutting. Fresh papaya. Not ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಖಾರ ಏನು ಬೇಡ.
Then now I have to hold it and get
What
scared
else?
when I'll get out.
Toys.
No, not the toys.
Wooden toys. ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿರಲಿ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
Okay, so many wooden toys are available here.
And last you want the sword? Sword? No thanks.
Hi,
Just because I'm not dancing with that song right now.
which song?
Night Calls. In that we need a sword.
Okay.
Only because I want to get you something.
See, this is the Gaganchuki viewpoint. We are done with Gaganchuki waterfalls. Now we are heading to Barachuki waterfalls. Okay,
Yes. I was wondering where
let's
we are
go.
going. Yes.
This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next episode.